This is the most repeated question in the Python interviews. Here the goal is to find pair with the given sum. Okay. Here the idea is for each number I checks if target minus I is already in seen before. If yes, we found our pair. Here it is the small explanation for you. We need two sum numbers. What? Two numbers whose sum is equal to this target. Okay, like 2 plus 2, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So it is a one pair. And 3 plus c and 3 plus 6 equal to 9. And that is another pair. Okay, like that. We use set here to store numbers we have already in the scene. Okay. For any here for here the for loop is for each number in I we find the required number like difference equal to target minus I, and it will give the number. Okay, if difference is already in the set, what in the set we found that pair. Okay, otherwise we add the current element to the set. Okay, now let us see with the first iteration. Here what is the first iteration? I equal to 2, I equal to 7, 11, 15, 3, 6. Now let us see the iterations here. See, when we got that pair, it will breaks. It will breaks the, okay, it will break it. Okay. Now let us see the first iteration. I equal to 2. Difference equal to target. What is the target here? 9. 9 minus, what is I value here? 2 equal to 7. Here we got 7. Is 7 in seen here? No, right? So we add 2 in the scene. Okay. Now iteration 2. Now iteration 2. Here I equal to 7. What? I equal to 7. And here difference equal to, what is the target value? 9. 9 minus, what is the I value here? 7 equal to 2. Is 2 in scene here? Yes. 2 is already in the C, right? So pair found. We got 2 comma 7. And here it will break the statement. Okay. Here the output is 2 comma 7. And these iterations are just for your idea only. And after the, if here it is not found, it will continue with this. Okay, if it is some another value, it will directly goes to the iteration 3, iteration 4, and iteration 5, and finally we got the 3 comma 6. It will also give, but the loops breaks here only because we already got an pairs. I hope you understand. See, just support me and do subscribe. Thank you.